Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making a new recipe and it's called brown sugar cookies. I've never made it before, but it sounds wonderful. I hope you'll enjoy it and I hope you're having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. For my brown sugar cookies, I'll need a half a cup of Crisco, a half a cup of butter, 1 1/4 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll want to cream together your shortening, your butter, your brown sugar, your egg, and your vanilla. While all of this is creaming, you want to stir together your plain flour, your salt, and your baking soda, and you want to gradually add it into your creamed mixture. Be sure to scrape down your bowl as needed. Now scoop your cookies onto your cookie sheet, and I always line mine with a silicone mat. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The recipe says to bake them for 12 to 14 minutes, and it only took 10 minutes for me. You just want them lightly golden brown. Okay, let's give these a try. They're really good. They remind me of a chocolate chip cookie without the chocolate chips. But they're a little more chewier, and I like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Give these a try. They're a keeper, and they're very good. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.